guys, welcome to TRM Like a Moment, guys. Actually, I was not supposed to be doing this, guys. Benito was supposed to be doing these things, guys. It is not my show, it is not my brand, but it is what it is. Milana for Umfana, guys. Boys are out here, girls are out here, as you can see. About guys. There's a lot of people that are here, guys, just to support, guys. So, as you can see, guys, I'm not alone, guys. Before we get into it, guys, please make sure you subscribe, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time we drop anything, guys, you'll be notified, guys. So, phethe bobani lana because ngiyabona ukuthi ngathi yimi umuntu oyiwane engagcokanga ngeTRM angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani guys kwenzakalani ngiphethe bani please introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure, but it's a girl yandazada silenda sakina isebe one umntana kaBenedict. Hayi umntana kaBenedict. Okay, ngapha siphethe bani?
Guys, Shapa Faith is a girl and so much TV, but the one in Harmonizer, guys. Tell
me. So, today's the last strategy. Can you please tell me, guys, Gucci, Sifunani strategy, when's today? Why are we here? Okay. Okay, because I saw some people were busy dancing. I think we're still gonna see a lot later. And then, wait, one more pizza color, guys. Hey, I'm gonna come. Hey,
No, guys, good thing, guys. As long as you didn't tell them, because today it's a so I don't have so tell them all the way.
But like, okay, Yanga, for you, by part TRM
okay, now I started on the 13th of October.
Okay. Oh, so that's why you're wearing TRM.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So you would say even if it's for like in part and Jengo brand ambassador, people can come to you.
Yes.
Directly. Oh, okay, I hear you. And then Masilva, when are we in TRM?
Yo guys,
okay,
Mina, military guys, Italy, 2023, so you can see Ube, you can go like see advertise and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Wait, we should know.
Shiriman,
Shut up.
Man, tell me like
No, you guys have been pushing. Okay. Ngiyabona ukuthi ngigqoke into engafani. We want to fake skate, we want to fake tidy, and then jogging I can see between TRM all the way everything. Which is your favorite clothing Lana with TRM as a brand ambassador?
My favorite is skirt.
Why
even those in
I bo Benito Zumbi
I have to do my own.
No way, bro. Okay, so after you guys have come up with your I'm building in your then you say okay, we want these things as part of TRM. What is it doing?
Something fast. But then at the end we are
so one thing there, TRM is always there. Like every time, like even now, if I want to buy anything that TRM knows, like we Asna spoke out, which is always available.
my side, when I some t-shirts.
My t-shirt.
Yeah. Okay. But Lawa, because Lawa sometimes I pay that if
nikuna abantu abalethe ikoloto
abantu bazovele balethe imali balethe imali eshodayo And let's manage your time. Let's manage
So if people want to follow you on socials, let's say Bafuna TRM, Kulmanda Banduti, when can they follow you guys?
Okay, on Facebook, my username is M0688796.
To place your orders. And then
So I mean, like, guys, like in Zongtala, I think in Zongtala WhatsApp, because Facebook in your post like WhatsApp in my number 075-213-8985, 075-213-8985.
but I see you posting even on socials. Because I saw on Facebook. Because I saw you wearing, I think it was brand new. I think Benito. Yeah, I think Benito once posted your post. It was TRM. I think both of your white guys. It was all white. Then what's gonna wash or something? I was like, yo, I as a kid. So no, like you reposted your post. About something, but you wrote something in jail. Yeah, something like that. Shout out to Penny there, shout out to Penny. So thank you so much, guys. We still have like a lot of team behind. Abafunu Kuluma Guti, Stephanie, TRM and whatnot. So thank you guys as I'm a brand ambassador. Please keep pushing the.
Shout out to TRM. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.
Away. Thank you.
Thank you guys,
Hi guys, as we said guys, we're back, we're outside guys, as you know guys, me and Open, we've been pushing this thing, we've been talking about TRM Guti, Sazo Shooter, Sazo Bonabuma Jaivani. There'll be a time where we're gonna have dancers where they're gonna win TRM clothing from Escape we figure in and guys. But like today we are outside, we are still cooking, we are pushing the brand guys. Better man in Jayami.
Angayi khotman uphethu yami really yami zomayimayo umuntu walakushini salele bona la since 2020 sine kanje ngeTRM
Aye and then that's better man King Style Oh K Style
Freshman is TRM
Isho kuthini K Style Indele bani okay Thina sifuna wona no
okay on the style
okay Asi K7 Asi K7 la Yabuze ngitazimela Oh okay Okay Machita you are saying you've been with TRM since 2023 shout out to you and then which is your favorite clothes Uzonke impahla uBenito usewaskipha zonke impahla TRM iseyaskipha which one is your best Oh now like you can shoot from your sleep booty you know what yeah as long as there's a style asasiphethe uBenito great now you see this yeah okay the tracks on oh okay What's happening to Chapisala Batagat? Okay, what's Mafia? Oh, Mafia 2 piece. Okay, I hear you. And then when?
mina nami ngicwala yona imali 2 piece khotman because it's a reflective so isikhanya everywhere
Alishayiswa ngemoto.
Alishayiswa imoto isiboniseza
spotlight sibuya
Bona seza yithi esikhanyisa isa reflector kukwethu
I hear you. And then lana phezulu ekhandeni ngibona ngathi ishaye into ehlukene ngelona same design
design
ngiyabona ukuthi same design but kulene angibona umuntu afaka iCap yini nabantu amakepisi sikhipana
siwashile siphambanise wena namhlanje
bese understanding uthi kahle kathi sikhipana
khona usatholakele wardrobe igcwele yona
shara okay so if abantu bafuna ukufollow guys asiringeni nabantu singaringi nabathakathi angithi asiringi nabathakathi asiringeni nabantu if people want to follow you guys follow up
on Facebook and TikTok K-Style
K-Style then wena
Facebook uyamtshela yamzo, IG the real yamzo my mind, naku TikTok utholakala kanjalo bafethu.
Awe guys. Let's keep this push. As push it yasekhaya. Hayi, Tango Benito. We are cooking on the highest level outside, guys. We are pushing TRM like a moment, guys. As I've been saying, guys. Bengani, change color, change machita, change manjokazana. Gatlanga, guys. Petubani. Babagani. I Uncle Spoon. Away, that's Petubani. Okay guys, so Dina, tell me something guys. Nkaleni nukusupporta TRM and which clothes nkaleni I buy. Natala nge-sporty, natala like nkale kanjani. And nkaleni nukusupporta TRM.
Mina futhi mani support TRM ngicela last year.
Okay.
Kuna amadrasa namabili la. Sinathanda. Sinakuzwe akuthema ukukhala.
Yeah.
Lo asathenga sithenga. Bona kuyathenga. Bona futhi mani ebusuku hayi babaze ebusuku.
Yeah.
Futhi mani vele bashaya amavidiyo bona madrasa like. Ngiyatshela ngithi nama ngifika ngala amafoni.
Yeah, you're like I'm buying this one crazy.
Awaye. La kanjani onye ngihambile.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shout
out to the boy. And then the time. Yeah. Oh yeah. The one that is yeah. Shout out to the boy. Shout out to the boy. Guys. 700, but 2 piece. Oh, okay. Alright. Okay. I see. Alright. Shout out to Pelito. You're cooking, boys. You're cooking. So, if people wanna follow you on socials, buy. Like someone who even bought TRM, what can you say to that person? Okay.
Bayabona mayivele zokulayita uzothula somlani umuntu ayibhaya
uba safe basically uba safe
yes protect le kasithenga ukuthi siyathanga protection
we're buying TRM for protection ebusuku. Shout out to Benny. And then when we have to push ikase brand. Now Nike what so once TRM is spread that the way it's spread on corner like wildfire, like Ishoguti, like we are stable, especially when in Ngani and your bonus the TRM and so the more kids buy TRM, they ask good TRM in the future. I'm a socials if you wanna give people socials, if people wanna follow you.
Yeah guys, so many IG Facebook is full SY.
And then
very follow and page and
let's push it, let's cook guys. Tango. Hi guys, as we've been saying guys, we are outside. We are kicking with TRM like a moment guys. We've been talking about this guys. So it's happening finally. Show stop. I'll tell about good to This
is your boy Showstopper.
Okay, show. I'm telling you, because I've been hearing amaruma and people are confused about, but when I know who is veteran yalekaya. Uqale nini nelona uBenito ukapproach nini ukuthi nipusha ilona iTRM yeah uqale nini yeah 2023 nje ukuthi uzobuyisa something
then makarelisa bese
lesi siredo sifakile shout out sasene quality madoda shout out to the boys yeah 2023 ne so he okay after my approach uBenito ne yini into uthi you know what let's push lento lena yini yenza ukuthi ubelieve umfana so much because I know he was coming from another brand which we're not going to mention where they were doing the thing together then mazothi ngiqala yang how did you know ukuthi lento lena izopusha ukuvula where the boy is coming from yini nikeza ithemba kahle kahle yeah yeah
ngasho ukuthi I'm the first one to know.
Shout out to Showstopper guys. Okay, last week we've been battling, We've been battling, guys. Showstopper is a dancer. He's a phenomenal dancer, especially on the street. Machu second, Richula Machina. One guys that you can think of, the boy is strong. Enyaweni. Uyashaya. Nami phela angathoba ngathi ngiyona. Nami ngiyenza into zakhona zetheka. So like ever since I know you as a dancer, I know you as a brand ambassador, who promoter and how far with your dancing career? Are you still dancing? Mhlambe manje ngiyekile ukhathele mhlambe uphula inyawo sa dancing. What's happening with your dancing career? Yeah.
Life besides dancing.
Okay, the biggest bet that you have ever done. Like the biggest one that you were like, you know what, Namin Tugini, and I don't think with Yandane, I'm gonna come back to Tala. Which one? Okay, so you've been in this game. We're on the age. And then Yanda, again, bro, tell me something new. When, since today, brand ambassador here, how many projects? How many? Is it? Okay. And then, and then when but like I meant like abantu abazakini straight, especially. Is it? And then any last words Ngasho as a TRM? And then Benito, what can you guys say which I improve in?
Pusha une potential, but push it
yes. No, but like I mean like something kumele Benito I improve with TRM. Ningathi ngingamtshela nithi Benito improve in. Everything is right. Chief, stop being ignorant, Chief. What's wrong with you, my nigga? Oh, ignore. Oh, okay. I know, fair guys. As always, guys, we've been cooking these things. You know, let's keep doing what we're doing. Yeah. This really guys, but years more designs are coming. Isketi, I heard Uchi Benito, Isketi is a short chief. Pull up your socks.
It's a rough dance, man.
Oh, well.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So for Ramanamba, as a course,
Yeah.
so text to you.
And shout out, guys.
Commentan lapho, shout out to TRM.
Hi guys, as in Chile, guys. Nyabon Wutu Petubani. Petem is the CEO. Achara bandi ukuthi bani kama lakho bakwazi ukuthi ubani lana elechini kwashakwa tema cause it's been a minute ungekho screenini. Boy. Ringela phezulu. Angazi ukuthi umfana wayenza kanje. Wasikomela ringa uzwakala Poison.
Uba fethi tsokwe beni beni fethi nazo banele stage name ana kokasi ana ko video kodolo ebathi mente ayile masi fethi yabo ayihamba nesala yami yazi ngiyeza ngoba nami ngayithiyesindise tshayela njalo ukuthi behind the camera today
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.
Hit the notification button. Anytime let's talk about YouTube, turn on the notification. It says movement. Then our feet starts. Yeah, our feet.
I got you boys, I got you boy. Okay, Poison. First thing first, let's just start here. Why are we outside? Everyone except me, guys. Please, just 2 days. Yeah, because this is one of his brother's local brand, guys, by Pushana. So it's not like okay anything. Local. So tell me, we're outside. Abantu bareti babovu. Bamhlophe abantu kwenzakalani Poison?
Today we're sitting here,
okay.
Since
Okay.
So this time was to launch chance. Okay. So now on Sunday, it is Swahili. Nano mungambona ngqa time ngoba sithi yakanye sifike angayiyo kuyasifundisa evolution equation sapromosa wafethu noma nifuna like imichendayo nakhona ungithinta ku688647 noma number zobona last
yeah
ngamlenza kakhulu editing ngiyambhadala.
Shout out to the boy. So I'm telling Poison, I'm telling you, ever since you've been designing, which is one clothes so which is one brand everything. We ask you to you are almost out of stock every now and then. Which clothing who were ekichimaga kulu kunaizi?
For now, I can see okay. The latest design was none limited edition.
Okay. Yeah. So okay. So each and every latest thing that you drop, abantu baza running for it.
Yeah.
ile nto ishoyo.
Like every time, abantu like babiza like movement.
Oh, so each and every latest edition that you drop, you a mover. Hakuna ukuthi people are always requesting for.
Nani yokuqala nayihambi ama-caps yazi
Abo 5 panel stuff, yeah.
sathi vele mesidropa leyo besi-2 abafika sekulelobhenisha hamba kakhulu ekipa like angikhadi abantu like basapota bafethu keep on supporting
Shout out.
ngiyanithanda
And then, Joe, what can people expect like kuya ngawe manje? I don't know ukuthi nize nakhuluma no Mr. CEO ukuthi manje ukhiphani or not, but like what people can expect like now.
ngiyasabe uyikhipha le-secret makabazobona igama lami ngazi.
Okay, what to keep on writing? We just stop, guys. What can people expect from now? We are coming because manje pera sama manje. Sama boy.
Sama.
Okay.
Stay tuned. Ngiyangithola subscribe like asifuni ukusho. Sifuna like each and every episode nibhekelele ngizobona mangabe khona into eyisho ngizobona share comment. Because mesizokhuluma kanje nje vele abantu babone surprise ba
Ukuthi manje
ngoba
share me keep. Yeah.
Surprise ngithola something something guys.
Alright, shout out to the boy.
Isikhathi sisibendela bafethi shirani bafethi ninki ama-episode ngithola ngikhuthazile ukuthi ba-subscribe notification button bafethi like noma ungayanga kutsho izokutshela sithole imini amakaqeda ukudropa utholakale bo.
Shout out, guys. As pushing local guys, the boy have been doing this thing since 2003, guys. So. Yeah, 2003. 2023. Hey, sorry man, 2023.
Yeah, 2023.
2023. So it just getting your cup man, So guys, let's support the local guys. Local is like your guys. Let's keep pushing. Nalana, like people came in numbers just to support the boy. So let's keep these things going. We're still gonna do a lot of events, guys. Sasa bano majaiva ni snikezana ne TRM, Swinisa, left right center. Aba show stop bazo jaja. Yeah.
I'm not gonna participate.
Manje bayabona ukuthi okay. So ushowstopper angangena just 2 minutes abonisa abantu ukuthi ukujiva into enjani, then aba behind ukuthi abe judge nguye azokhipha iskipper ihoodie any tracks ana lezo bayikhona guys ukuthi nawo umuntu umanqoba wethu uzoba kumuntu so shout out to the boy TRM forward guys, TRM to the web, let's put it out there guys. Yeah, anything? Subscribe guys. Yeah, boy, see try to la for Nina guys. It's in Ilona. Real is part of. Oh yeah, being real is part of. What is it? So shout out to the boy. Just keep wearing a local brand, guys. Now me soon. He must give me mine, guys. I need to wear TRM. So shout out to the boy. This is the CEO, guys. You are watching at the youngest CEO. When it comes to business, guys, he's still gonna grow. We're still gonna support him until he gets where what. So this is just the beginning. We're still gonna go far with this thing. So yeah, man, support the boy.